extra time.
पीवी सिंधु ने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीतने के बाद इन टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स कहा कि यहां मेडल जीतना रियो ओलंपिक्स के सिल्वर मेडल जीतने से भी टफ था।
2 घंटे में डिलीवरी, विश यू अ स्पीडी रिकवरी। कोई भी दवा अब नहीं करो मिस, दवाई चाहिए एसएप तो बस एक अपोलो 24/7 डिलीवर करे आपकी पूरी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन सिर्फ 2 घंटों में।
इस मैच में पीवी सिंधु ने बिंग जाओ को हराया था, जो कि चाइना की है, 21-13 और 21-15 स्ट्रेट सेट्स में टू विन अ ब्रॉन्ज मेडल एट टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स। ऐसा करते हुए शी ऑल्सो बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन प्लेयर टू विन 2 मेडल्स, 1 सिल्वर और 1 ब्रॉन्ज अब तक एट द ओलंपिक्स। जीत के बाद उन्होंने ये कहा,
Well, I'm super happy because definitely, as you mentioned, first Indian athlete women's में I've got back-to-back medals, 2016 or 20 in this Tokyo 2021. So I am very happy क्योंकि I've put in a lot of effort and it's definitely if you put a lot of effort, you want to get that medal for the country, and when you get that, definitely you are on the cloud 9. And of course, I have no words to say because my parents, my family members have put in a lot of effort, and my sponsors and everybody have done, my support staff have put in a lot of effort. So I'm very, very thankful to them because we've been waiting for this moment, and I've finally I am there, and definitely it's a proud moment.
वर्ल्ड नंबर 6 पीवी सिंधु ने 50 मिनट लिया इस मैच को खत्म करने में अगेंस्ट बिंग जियाओ। पीवी सिंधु ने आगे ये कहा अबाउट दिस गेम एंड हर ओपोनेंट।
She's a very good. She's a tricky player. She has really good receptive as well, and she's a left-handed. So it was very important for me to just be in the rally because I had to not make any mistakes because she was good. I mean, she was taking all my attacking strokes, and it was very important for me to be patient enough to play the next stroke and just be in the match. So I think first game maintaining that lead, and even though she was covering it, I think that each and every point was important. And second game, I think it was neck to neck, but I've taken a lead for like 2-3 points, and I maintained that lead and finished it off. So
जब पेरिस ओलंपिक्स की बात पूछी गई कि क्या वहां पर वो हैट्रिक करेंगे मेडल्स की, तो 26 साल की पीवी सिंधु ने ये कहा,
I am still in the moment, so let me be in the moment for a while. And well, definitely that's a good question, but definitely I will start, but not right now. It's for me, it's a moment to just enjoy and relax because these many years, almost 5 years, I've been aiming for this, and I finally got a medal for the country. It can be any medal, but getting a medal for the country is definitely a proud moment. So I have no words to say. So right now I'm in the moment and I just want to enjoy it. I don't know when will it sunk in, but yes, I'm just going to be in the moment as much as I can.
किसको डेडिकेट करेंगी वो ये जीत और ये मेडल? ये जब पूछा गया तो सिंधु ने ये कहा,
well, this medal is dedicated to a lot of people because I miss the fans, I miss the crowd, and of course today is Friendship Day. I wish all of them a happy Friendship Day, to all the friends out there, and to my coach, of course, and to my parents, to my family members, because I think everybody has put in their effort, since then, since 2016 to this 2021. I mean, it's been a really long journey, and there've been ups and downs, there've been wins and losses. So I would dedicate this to each and every one, and especially my family members, my dad, my mom, my sister, and of course my nephew. He's he's of course always cheering for me, and
जब ये पूछा गया कि कितना मुश्किल होता है खुद को टॉप ब्रैकेट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल बैडमिंटन में मेंटेन रखना, तो सिंधु ने ये कहा,
definitely it's hard because when you are there, it's you can when you come to a certain level it's fine, but to maintain that is definitely a tough moment, and you need to be constantly working hard because everybody's eyes are going to be on you, and everybody is going to look up to you because I'm sure, I mean, there are a lot of female athletes who are there, and the top 10 athletes are of same standard. So it's not just if you just like a bit think that okay, we can relax. I mean, that cannot happen. You always have to maintain, and you always have to keep working hard because everybody is going to see you each and every tournament, and everybody is going to know your match and your game style. So you have to change accordingly and make sure that everything is under your control, and you have to make sure that yes, I can do it, and you have to keep working hard every minute.
hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.